This video is going to demonstrate the use of the stitch feature of BendTech SM. Stitching is a process of removing material from a bend location in a plate to make for an easier bend with thicker material. We will begin our project by using a 10" by 10" quarter-inch thick plate. We next need to add a bend to the top line of it. Once the bend is added, we can now select the bend flange from our flange list. Our bend is now highlighted, indicating it is active. Next, we will select the Create tab and the Miscellaneous Command button and the Stitch button to bring up our stitch panel. We want our stitch to be at the center of our current bend, so we will highlight the first option. We next need to select our bridge size. In this case, we're going to use a 1" wide stitch, along with it being 1/4" in depth. We next need to select our location, which will be string symmetrical. We will select our quantity of bridges, which in this case will be 4, and those bridges will be 3 inches wide. We also want our stitch to start at the end of our bend, so we'll leave the location from end at 0. Once that is all complete, we can select Apply to place our stitches. As you can see, we have 4 bridges and 3 voids in our bend, which would create an easier way to bend the material. After we define our flange, we'll be able to see it in the shaded display. And as you can see, we have cutouts in the bend flange that will allow for an easier bend with the thicker material.